Matter is fixed.
Lordship, tomorrow, but the matter tomorrow is fixed regarding the parents.
File it, it will appear.
But your Lordship will give me leave to file it. If not, your Lordship, the court officer does not endorse it, then we may not be able to.
No, file it in course. It will appear in course because it will be in the monthly list of October.
Lordship, but this matter, your Lordship, is.
Now we have got few days left in
Lordship.
this month. Monthly list is coming on possibly on 9th. We are on 3rd.
Your Lordship, I was praying for some indulgence, your Lordship, because this matter, I tell your Lordship what happened. The question of the jurisdiction for all affiliation matters, the statute says it is in Delhi. So we had to file a writ petition before Delhi. Then in Delhi, your Lordship, we pleaded that the matters are pending also in the High Court. Then the Delhi Court, High Court, your Lordship, directed us to file the writ petition in Calcutta, and the CIC, the council, appeared, and they said that they will not take up the issue of jurisdiction. Thereafter, we are filing it here, your Lordship. Lordship will kindly give it some precedence.
Very well.
May I kindly be permitted to mention one matter, my lord, CPF to GPF.
CPF to GPF matters before vacation, it is not possible for it to accommodate. Give the list, it will appear in the monthly list of November.
Grateful, your lordship.
We have my lord to mention on matter. My lord, this matter is leading to transfer on special ground. My lord may remember this matter. The Pisa Devapragupta appeared.
No, I do not remember. You have filed your representation before the commissioner.
Representation before the commission, right, my lord?
Commissioner has decided your representation.
No, my lord. My lord was actually waiting for the report for the state to come with regard to the offline application.
No, offline application is another. Whatever action has been already taken. Now, if it is, you have been recommended for transfer.
No, my lord.
Not yet recommended.
Recommended.
So wait, it will appear accordingly. Only the petition, the teachers who have already been recommended for transfer, I'll be giving them a chance to make a representation before the commissioner against the recommendation, and the decision of the commissioner will be scrutinized. If it is otherwise correct, then you have to go. If it is not, then we will think otherwise. So file it and give the number. Call the list. Oh, Dilo? Call the list.
Item number 1.
Carry on.
Item number 2. Item number 2. Item number 3.
That on last occasion, your lordship was pleased to direct the board, my lord, to take instruction, because, my lord, the commission already forwarded the vacancy on, my lord, 20th September to board.
Pass over. Carry on.
Item number 4. 5.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, this matter, my lord, on the last occasion, your lordship was pleased to direct the district inspector of schools, Bakula, to submit a report before your lordship. Yes, ma'am.
Lordship,
Wait, take your breath. You have got your report with you? Supply him a copy.
Lordship, may I submit? Lordship, petitioner's prayer is to disburse the pension with interest. According to get the pension, Lordship, there are some formalities. He has to process of application, the process of application for pension by the employee, Lordship, GO number 62 SSE 17th April 2017. Lordship, first time the petitioner refused when the school authority repeatedly sent the letter, that is Lordship, 14th August 23, 25th August 23 and 26th August 23. In spite the school authority repeatedly sent the letter to the petitioner, but he refused. He had to submit the application. He has to submit the pension papers through e-pension portal and hard copy, Lordship. But he did not submit,
Just tell
Lordship.
me,
Now department
What is
is
your
ready,
date of-
Lordship. Department is ready to release the whole pension, Lordship, not only provisional.
but
Full
he has to
pension.
apply, he has to
Huh?
apply. He has to apply through e-pension portal.
He has to apply e-pension and hard copy, Lordship. Then the department will
Tell me,
release whole pension.
when you have
Lordship.
retired from your service,
My lord, 31st July 2020.
2020,
Lordship.
2020. Taking which date of birth? 57 or 60?
Well, it's 1960.
1960.
That has been corrected, my lord, and the honorable.
So,
Well-
to work for the full period, taking your date of birth on 2nd July 1960. Now, this writ petition is still pending by the private respondent.
Yes, ma'am. Still pending.
Yes, Lordship.
Still pending, ma'am.
This is
Is
the order.
appearing in the list of any other court?
No, my lord, this is public interest litigation, my lord. So, my lord, the
The
determination.
public interest litigation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Public
Lordship,
interest
in
litigation.
this honorable High Court.
And regarding this, my lord, I have also stated in my writ petition, my lord.
This is the order copy, Lordship.
If your lordship may kindly seize my,
It is pending, Lordship.
my lord, paragraph 8 of page 6 of this writ petition, my lord. The petitioner in that the private respondent who filed the public interest litigation, my lord, is the husband of a teacher of the school whose appointment I was objected I objected when I was a teacher representative in the managing committee. I said that the wife of the petition, the
This
private
Devashish Dotto is not is a stranger to the school. He's a husband of another teacher.
husband of another teacher whose appointment as a teacher representative I have objected.
So
But there
this
are-
order sheet shows that on 10th November 2022, again matter appeared, he did not take any step. On 14th February 2023, matter appeared, he did not take any step.
As the matter is pending in the Honorable High Court, he is only wanting provisional pension. When the school authority. Huh? Yes, order is actually created to that. Huh? So now department is ready to give the whole pension lordship in
Now,
accordance with
so
law.
for this private respondent,
Yes, ma'am.
he appeared through Mr. Kallan Kumar Panda last occasion.
Right.
Right?
Yes, my last occasion.
Last
Occasion he appeared, my lord.
Can you inform him?
Fine.
Inform him, passing it over.
Lordship.
Keep it.
Lordship, fix the time, lordship, 1 PM.
No time can be fixed.
Oh.
I was engaged by Mr. Kallan Kumar Panda
Oh,
in this matter.
thank you very much.
Well, it is a matter, it is a matter where the full pension was not being paid because of the criminal proceedings pending.
You are not properly instructed. He has filed a public interest. Who is he? Who is he?
Kallan Panda, lawyer.
No. Who is he means who is this respondent number 9? Your client, who is he? Devashish Dotto. How he is related? He is a husband of a teacher of this school where the petitioner was a teacher. He is raising a dispute with regard to his date of birth, which has been already settled by the board. Accordingly, correction was made long back. Now, what he is saying,
Yes, my lord, that court settlement was there and FIR was also lodged.
that has been ended with the FRT.
FRT. that
Why
was
are you
challenged.
pursuing? Why are you pursuing this? If he
That
gets
was-
this, I don't know if this, the public interest litigation is not before me. Had there been so, you should have been
You get the
imposed.
full pension now, no problem. with it.
Why is,
Yes,
what
department
kind
is
of
ready.
man he is? This respondent number 9, how he is got related, all these matters. Ashun. You are appearing. Mr. Bose, you should advise your client to contact with the school authority, to cooperate with the school authority to take, to upload your necessary papers in the e-pension portal. So unless he gets all the papers, how he can release it? I'm disposing out of, you want that after taking that steps, you will again come. After uploading all of your papers. you-
pension portal, he has to upload his data.
And
Yes. Then I can dispose it off, or I will wait till he takes a decision. What do you think?
No, I'm saying, Milord, that my client says he is present. He said,
submitted.
Already submitted. Take instruction.
yes, he said he submitted.
Submitted with
because-
whom?
PIC আমাকে কাগজ পাঠিয়েছে, তার কাগজ আছে যে আপনি সব কাগজ জমা দিয়ে রিলেটেড ঢোকাচ্ছেন, আমি সব
You please go through the
He
report.
has, he
Worship, kindly come page 2. The instant writ petition is similar case. The petitioner said that pension or family pension ought to have been released on and from the next day of retirement, not from the date of refund of the employer's share of contribution. A similar issue was decided in this court, the WPS such and such, the judgment passed in the aforesaid matter and the incident disposed of by directing the and the event found that the insurance exercise the option and refund the employer's share contribution within the time specified then such and such.
I don't think this is very
Also,
clear.
kindly come division bench orders. Kindly come to the division.
এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন, আমার কনফিউশন হবে। আমি দেখেছি এটা ছিল, এর মধ্যে দেখুন নাই ফাইলে কোথাও
তোর বাড়িতে দিলাম যাবেন থেকে দেখানো আছে। হ্যাঁ সে তো আলাদা।
রামচন্দ্র মাইতি না, এটা আছে।
You have opted for ROPA 2019, NOPA 1999.
সাসপেন্ড হয়েছিল হয়নি।
No, I have exercised option, but rope.
Thereby you are automatically comes under ROPA 1999.
Yes.
Option every year at the time of Robamal, the option must be given.
So when the
That is a rule.
exercise in 85-86.
85-86. Now 90, let's say the disciplinary proceeding issued in 2000, 99-2000. Prior to that, lordship, there was no dispute. Up to 99-2000, there was no dispute.
Whether you opted for that or not, that I want to know. কোথায় ছিল এটা? So exercise was made,
Well, lordship.
but it could not be completed because of the different situations, including initiation of the disciplinary proceeding against this
Disciplinary proceeding subsequently suspended. Lordship, suspension has been set aside by the Honorable High Court. 2 criminal cases were pending, and I have been acquitted, lordship, in the year 2020. From all
Thereafter,
criminal-
you have filed the writ petition.
I then filed that. Because prior to 22, I had no, lordship, the right to pray for the pension.
This is very important line. In fact, the money on account of contributory provident fund continues to be held by the estate of the deceased teacher.
Lordship.
So if it is a state of the deceased teacher, why not this, the heirs will continue to hold that on succession.
And not only
Now-
that, lordship, the writ petition was filed by the deceased teacher.
He died during this.
Now,
protest.
during the writ petition, he died.
Mr. Chattopadhyay, in a case where supposing the street petition is alive, today he is entitled to refund the amount.
No, I have also division bench judgment. Lordship. The last,
Two way of getting it. One, stop of the contributory, the government share is coming in the account of his sovereign fund account. It is one way to viewing it, that exercise was complete by the time.
Yes.
Or the heirs can be allowed to refund the money with this. The second part, you are joining the issue with this division bench judgment. Show me the division. You have got any other judgment apart from
Lordship,
this?
this is Lordship's judgment, but this is not a
Not judgment on the
Yes.
point. Heirs on the point.
This is the division bench judgment.
yes, sir.
দেখতো রাখছে না এই কপি সমিত বলে judgment.
Not reported anywhere.
Most probably not. Renuka.
Where is the relevant portion?
Malad, page 6. Malad.
Yes.
Oh.
Here effect. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a husband. I'd like to see.
Option exercise করেছিল?
Huh? One option is 98. Who cannot be subject to the right of the option. It's on the discharge scheme and as the invitation of the option. If you want to do 90,000. Para 13 or 19 July. Honor to say that the valid in the eye of law as the effect of taking advantage. What a walking that has a lot of porridge. Switching over to pension come gradually as the provisions had been amended drastically, which could
This is the argument of
Yes,
Mr.
well, lastly, well, point and that lastly observation also.
Where?
Well, paragraph page 8,
Yes.
para 3.
substantiate because lack of papers and other things. Now he says that I want to give it. A situation arose that now you refund it. And that stage has reached. By the time he died, the heirs are first of all saying that take the money from the.
No, this is not his case. His case, I have already deposited according to
Forget
tier challenge.
about that. Ultimately.
No. That is the case. But during lifetime, I have deposited the amount.
Now this
by tier
second
challenge.
part, now it is coming from the different reports. Under the order of the court, the authority has already determined the amount to be refunded with interest after a particular date, which is now every day it is now enhancing. Now that part that has been, since it has already been directed, this is another part. The other part of the exercising option that has been taken care of. Now you are saying, but the division bench is not a direct pointer on this issue.
From the very beginning, my submission was that, as my learned friend saying that I have already deposited.
So
according-
therefore, as you are not in a position to explain, only your report throws a doubt on that. That
Yes.
since he was the headmaster, he has manipulated that.
Yes,
But it is the government money
yes.
that will reflect in the account. If the government continues to deposit its share, then the particular account must show. When it is not showing, it is indicative that
They presume that.
it is indicative. A strong presumption is that the exercise of option was complete by the time. Now you are not in a position to explain the situation. Who is the authority to explain the situation?
Because onus upon him,
Treasury. No,
Onus-
it has come. Primary
onus
one is
upon him,
discharge.
his case, now, regarding option, there is no such dispute. Regarding
Dr.
deposit
Bhatta,
of
from your report, from the document annexed with your report, it is now transpiring that on 85-86, the government stops contributing its share in the provident fund account of the petitioner, which is indicative of one thing only, that his exercise of his option was complete by the time. Now you are saying that might have been manipulated by the headmaster. Who was the headmaster? Since he was holding the post of headmaster, then who is the authority to at least to justify more? The treasury officer.
yes.
Treasury officer can mean that what does it mean when a statement is showing that after 85-86 there was no contribution on the part of the government authority? What does it mean? So get that explanation from the treasury officer.
From the very beginning, I'm saying that Howrah Treasury too is the appropriate authority, but because his specific case is that you have
We need not go into that number.
No, because his case is that
Very well, we need not go into that
no,
complexity.
both ways.
Whether
Justice
the,
should be in both
yes,
ways.
we need not go into that. If it can be demonstrated that it was actually refunded, then we need not go whether heirs can contribute, whether he can be allowed to. Here's if it is. So get that clarification from the concerned treasury officer.
Yes, madam.
What does it mean?
Yes.
That much I require that
Yes,
much
yes.
clarification.
If he has refund already given, then he has certainly right.
If this entry indicates that he has refunded his
After
share,
85,
there is no
no deduction.
deduction. There is no deduction.
last page.
No, this is not with that. Where it is that vital document?
So this report also it has been annexed.
A report of
Last
dated
This
4th
report
May.
of the state. Just
Just a file, melody.
The-
last
Instruction,
page.
like যেটা দড়ি দিয়ে সাদা ট্যাগ দিয়ে বাঁধা।
Yes, the last page. Yes. That's 85-86, last contribution 756 rupees 25 paisa.
Yeah.
So what does it mean? This is a statement showing government share of CPF to the petitioner's account. So get a clarification of the concerned treasury.
Yes, sir.
He need not go into that.
Treasury must be a party and your lordship asks that.
Treasury is a party, but Lordship, it will be take some time. Lordship,
Yeah,
for the
Treasury-
time being. Lordship, I don't know, Lordship.
What time will require? Why time required? Why time required? It is a regular way of statement. He has to see. He will file either way. Otherwise it is presumed. Obviously it is presumed. theory of manipulating this document will not do. Continuous, not no contribution.
Treasury party আছে?
It is where it is coming to the account of the Provident Fund account of you. The headmaster cannot control it. It is automatically coming.
Lordship, my submission is let for the time being, Lordship, I am not praying for disposing of the writ petition. For the time being, let the amount be directed to be deposit.
No, no, no. What?
Because as for the
You
division
need
bench,
not, you may not require to deposit any amount.
Yes.
You may not be required to deposit any amount. This shows that the exercise of your option was complete as of 1985-86. Since there is no disciplinary proceeding, since there is no criminal case pending against you,
No
against
suspension.
it, so heirs are entitled to the arrear pension and the widow is entitled to family pension. So, Mr. Chattopadhyay, it is long pending matter. All on a sudden, it came to my notice.
Yes.
He
sir.
did not take up this vital point in his writ petition anywhere. That I may not have the receipt showing refund of the money,
Yes.
but the statement is showing
Showing
this.
that. And that statement made by the school authority, not by the DI.
No, maybe the district, you have got a seal under it. District
Yes,
Inspector of
certainly
Schools.
as per instruction of your lordship directed.
So usually Provident Fund account, in the Provident Fund account of a particular teacher, two contributions coming.
Yes, employer and employee.
Employees. This employer's contribution comes automatically. He cannot just seize over that. He
Yes.
cannot have any control over that. Sir, checks are coming or in the accounts it is coming. He is just, he cannot do that. It's high. I think that the only instruction is necessary from this
Treasury officer.
treasury officer who he's a
It's
party.
respond number 5 mailer, treasury made a party mailer, it will be treasury 2. Howrah treasury 2.
Very good. Correct the cost title.
Two
Description.
Lordship, only one thing. Lordship, the up to 22, Lordship, my content.
By 9th of these I will be getting, otherwise I will be holding. This shows the contribution. Nothing is required to be done. You get your pension, arrear pension. এদিকে আসুন তো, এই রিপোর্ট গুলোকে এক জায়গায় একটু আসুন, এটা ফেরত দিন, কাগজগুলো সন্দীপ এদিকে এসো।
পড়ে নিতে হবে। রাখ আমার ব্রিক কোনটা, তোর ব্রিক কোনটা, সব দেখ। ও আচ্ছা। হুম।
এভিডেন্ট অপোজিশনটা কোথায়?
না না পুরো সার্ভ করো, অর্ডারের কপি দিয়ে সার্ভ করো, ট্রেজারি আমাদের কথা শোনে না। হাওড়া ট্রেজারি 2, ওটা কিন্তু হাওড়া ট্রেজারি 2 হবে, এটা 2 করে দিন। এই ব্যবসা পেতে পেতে রাখ।
Yes, this affidavit in opposition, that is of the respondent number 3, it also forms part of the statement. What he is saying at page 32 of the affidavit in opposition, same thing has been annexed over here, over which I directed that the district
What's
inspector of such and such Provident Fund, Chattopadhyay Learned Government is to get clarification of the said statement. So this today you are filing that this has been a document by the school authority, and since he was the headmaster, he could have managed this in his way. It is highly improbable. However, to get a further clarification, the respondent number 5 may be approached, and you get it from the respondent number.
This was 5 treasury officer, Howrah 2.
Howrah 2.
Yes.
Mr. Chattopadhyay Learned AGP files.
পরে ঠিক করে দিতে হবে।
the report to clarify. Now,
ইটে গেলে তো বেঁচে
file-
যায় যে যদি টাকা জমা দিয়ে থাকে তাহলে পাবে
হ্যাঁ।
টাকা জমা দিতে পাবে না
Yes,
file
has a
the clarification
যেগুলো
of the respondent number, district inspector of the school AC Howrah, respondent number 3. Herein clarification bearing memo number লিখুন তো ওখানে clarification files এর clarification আছে না bearing memo number 220/LS dated September 4, 2023. আগে বসে দিন। In compliance with the order dated August 26. পড়ে নিতে পারবেন তো? Let it be kept with the record. Mr. Chattopadhyay submits that the Howrah, the Treasury Officer Howrah 2 is the competent authority to clarify, to clarify
রিয়েল অ্যাপ্রুভাল
the
ওটা নেক্সট দিন দেখো
statement of the Provident Fund statement showing the government share of CPF of the petitioner. The said respondent, sir, stop. But the description of the said respondent needs to be rectified. Leave is granted to the learned advocate for the petitioner to carry out necessary amendment in the cost title to describe the respondent number 5 appropriately. Stop.
অর্ডার ডেটা না
The-
অর্ডার ডেটের দিন
Respondent number 5, you just add Howrah Treasury 2. The respondent number 5 is directed to clarify the said statement and to file a report before this court on the next date of hearing. Do it before this vacation side of the
ইয়েস ইয়েস ইয়েস
11th October,
ইয়েস সাবস্টেন্ট
10th.
but they will communicate the order they will communicate
Is petitioner to communicate this order. You are representing.
no treasury wala treasury and
Communicate this-
CW
Communicate this order. Petitioner.
treasury authority
Mr. Mukherjee, since
Right.
Mr. Chattopadhyay has got some difficulty or difficult for him to make them work, you communicate this order to the respondent number 5.
regarding BCW and malad treasury malad they are more powerful
Let us see. এই এগুলো গুছান তো গুছিয়ে রাখুন কাগজগুলো
11 তারিখ
হুম Matter will appear in the list at 10:30 on April.
This is my application, my lord. On last occasion, your lordship was pleased to direct the, my lord, board to take instruction because, my lord, Mr. Patu's client already left.
Appointment, we received the hard copy on 27th September, that is Wednesday. 28 was a holiday. Thereafter 29 weeks open, 3 days holiday. So it was under process and today it will be sent to the Commissioner of School Education for approval. As per that.
You have heard that they have unearthed one notification of the school education department that the board shall not issue any appointment letter without the approval of, I don't know how the function of a statutory body can be usurped or can be taken away by the board. The government in such an administrative measure. They have accepted it. Because they are bound to accept it. It's another wing of the state. Although this is under challenge in one of the matters.
Not under challenge.
But they are.
Lordship, this is the thing. Why?
No, this is cropped up.
Cropped
That is cropped up, and I directed the state to explain. If they do not, then after 2018, whatever appointments have been given by the board, I will recall all appointments.
The Lordship directed the state.
Let them face the landslide. What is this? Statutory body formed for the purpose of a definite part to be performed, beginning work to be performed in the process of giving appointment. And one administrative notice saying that you need not do, I will do everything. So as to the commission, showing that commission don't have the manpower.
That matter is today fixed at 2 PM regarding commission, and this is another one.
So how long it will take?
That is not in our hands. It will be sent.
Who is for the state?
State is Mr. Pantu Devrai was appearing, my lord, on behalf of the state.
So inform me so that I can direct the commissioner to dispose of this.
Kindly pass an order because I had a talk with Mr. Devrai. And Mr. Devrai informed me, my lord, that very soon the.
Till you have not sent it to the
It will be
approval.
sent today.
It will be.
Because we received them 27, that was a Thursday. Then.
But you have
Wednesday,
to do it before vacation. You must see
It
the.
will be sent today for approval because the process has been done. And thereafter, how long will return?
That you don't have any control. Bring Mr. Devroy tomorrow.
Kindly, my lord, record this, her submission because.
After today, they will be sending it. Let them
One
say,
working day after
let
this
them
4 days.
file out give the memo number or filing number, whatever, the reference number, so that I can direct the commissioner to send it back to this after the approval, whatever decision he takes to the board immediately, so that the appointment can be made before vacation. Not today, you
10:30, my lord.
Sriman,
Today is
it
also
will be,
same-
it will be the same way.
same.
You do your job today. You do it by today so that,
That is my instruction. It will be-
yes, you do it today. Give me the number and reference number so that I can direct the commissioner.
My lord, if your lordship kindly record this, that in course of this day, they are doing 17 years. my lord.
Sorry.
It's not with me. Before me, it's the first time. 70 is with the education department.
So, we'll have tomorrow. Wait for lordship.
Item number 4.
Item 4, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner. Pursuant to lordship's directions, my lord, on 29th September 2023, the headmaster should appear in person. My lord, at 10:30 AM. Where is the, my lord, this 29th of September, your lordship will not see. So matter is listed today.
But the headmaster, I'm appearing for the headmaster, my lord. But today, my lord, he is appearing, my lord, in person. And on 29th, my lord, he, my lord, visited, my lord.
This is regarding the
Non-issuance
transfer
of the
certificate of the word of the
Word.
petitioner.
Yes.
You have to issue a transfer certificate.
My
you know?
my lord, the according to the admission register, my lord. But the father, my lord, signed the admission register. Original book, sir.
Where is your husband?
My lord, husband, my lord, due to the, my lord,
This one.
Govind. Because the father.
Father,
was
my
the-
lord, side, there is a turmoil between the husband and wife, my lord. My lord, now, my lord, the wife, my lord, applied for the transfer certificate. But the difficulty is when without, my lord, the letter from the husband, my lord, I cannot, my lord. There is a hearing, my lord, held before the DI, and my lord, the DI passed an order which is under challenge, my lord, in this writ petition. And earlier, my lord, a writ petition preferred by my learned
DI
senior friend.
Yes, what happened to that?
But that
disputation?
was dismissed for default. That was not stated here.
no.
On
My lord, dismissed for default after passing of the order, my lord. Well, I could not attend on that day, my lord, but well, it has been appeared on, my lord, 17th May 2023 as page, my lord, page at C8.
this is the order, my lord.
Dismissal order?
This is
No,
the order.
dismissal order is the very recent, my lord, the last Monday, 25th. When I could not attend on that day, my lord.
The earlier
But this is,
petition was
but the matter relates to a primary education matter. So, my lord, after that.
Today, how it is come under
No,
secondary?
primary district primary schools councils, my lord, has already been, my lord, referred to the district university schools to take a decision, because this is the order passed by the district university schools PE, that is page, my lord, 40. That is page 40. 19th June 2023. From the district university schools PE, not to be scrutinized, to the district university schools AC, not 24 crores. Due to without jurisdictions of this issue,
Primary education, primary education.
primary.
So
So-
how and how it has happened?
No, class 5 is, my lord, also under the jurisdiction of the secondary. But before, my lord, up to 1 to 4, that is under the primary. And this,
So
my lord,
when
school,
you then
my lord,
when you moved this writ petition, the child was in the class 4.
no, class 6.
So why this order? How is
No, no, my lord, it is been wrongly instructed to me that the school is pre-primary school. On that, my lord, presumption, that writ petition was filed. And
No,
often
but nonetheless, there was a direction of to hold a meeting.
to hold a meeting.
So in that meeting, what happened?
My lord, after meeting, this, my lord, order has been passed on page 40, 19th June 2023.
What has been held over there?
Well, it has been held that in compliance with the order of the Honorable High Court, Calcutta, a meeting was organized. It appears in the meeting that the issuance of the transfer certificate is not related with the head teacher of the said primary school. It has already issued.
However, you were directed to take steps for issuance
Yes,
ultimately.
Yes.
But thereafter, my lord, another order was issued. But it kindly come to page
Page-
number 43, my lord.
43,
43.
ultimately at page 44, the direction so kindly take steps
My lord,
in the matter regarding issuance of transfer certificate.
my lord, pursuant to that order, my lord, transfer certificate are issued, but for the primary to secondary. That was issued. And thereafter, my lord, pursuant to the order, my lord, passed on 17th of May 2023, my lord, this hearing was conducted. My lord. Page number? Page number 43. 11 July, my lord, order passed.
Page number 43 is the middle of Tarapodo Das.
My lord, I have been
This is the communications to the district university schools according to the order passed by the district university schools primary.
This is your letter, not the order.
No, the
Well,
kindly
this
see
is the order, my lord, we have been.
Don't talk. You made a whole confusion.
No.
Please stop. Please stop.
No, this is not a. Well, 3rd July 2023, the DI school secondary has been
July
issued notice.
2023, there is
Then
no
order was passed.
ignoring that.
11th July, my lord,
So
2020.
Justice Gangopadhyay directed to hold a meeting,
Yes,
right, on
my lord.
17th May.
My lord.
When this meeting was held?
This meeting was held on
10th of 9th,
10th of
19th 6/2023.
Yes.
Where from I'll be
Page
getting it?
41, my lord.
41.
তোমার কি pagination ঠিক নেই?
হ্যাঁ, আমার
40.
41 of
Except
my
P9.
petition, my lord. Same.
41, hence the school authority of the high school is seeking transfer.
Then, my lord,
What does it mean?
prior to that, my lord, kindly come to the earlier page, my lord.
This is the order, my lord. I can separately, my
Wait,
lord.
17th May, this order was passed.
Yes.
Oh. In compliance with the order of the Honorable Court, a meeting was organized. It appeared the meeting that the issuance of transfer is not related with the headmaster of the said primary school. It was already issued on 5th. and
5/10/2021.
submitted to Oh, taking it from primary school certificate
Yes, too high, same.
to high school
Miles.
on
Miles.
5th October 20. Once transfer certificate has already been issued.
Issued.
Taking of that from primary to secondary, he has already, the same school, primary section to secondary
Same
section.
school. Same school.
Same, very well. Now, at the time of taking in this 5th October 2021, whose name appeared in your register as guardian?
My lord, guardian is the father. My lord.
5th May,
Fifth
5th October.
October, no, my lord. But according to the admission register, my lord, for
We
the
need to
session
secondary section.
is
My lord,
may I
for
take
the,
instruction?
for the session
22,
22, lordship, I find, my lord, Swapnanil
Shishandu
Shishendu Roy, father.
Roy.
When this admission was taken?
It is in 2022 session.
Date. A transfer certificate was issued on 5th
This
October
is the
21.
date,
Date
my
of
lord.
birth. It is date of birth. Is date
No.
of birth.
Date of birth ওটা। এটা date of birth।
কোথায় আছে?
Primary to secondary.
28th of December
28, 12,
2021.
So 5th October 2021 transfer certificate was utilized for the purpose of taking admission to the secondary section on December. Done. Now the second application for taking transfer to another school, wherever. But from that school, transfer applied from that school.
Right.
That was on 17th May, there was an order.
17th May, yes. Correct. There is an order. Pursuant to that order, my lord.
Where is the order passed? Page?
Page 38.
That's
WP number
That's-
1640.
Page 46 is the order.
46 is the
46,
district resource school
I don't have 46 page.
secondary. 11th July 2023.
No, 46 page.
Page 46.
Yes.
My lord, we don't have page 46, my lord.
You know, the order is there, my lord.
Order is there in page number
That's,
43.
lordship is looking after that order, my lord, that is at our page 43 because.
Very well. How your
It
page
is-
by it is Tarapodo. Please understand.
My mistake.
Now, report in the matter of issuance of transfer in favor of Swapnanil Roy, a student of Barasat Mohta Sajjan, in response to the order dated Sajjan sir, what has been held by the DI?
Yeah, I held, my lord, all the statement submission records available in the matter are taken into consideration. Appears that no order certificate for legal separation is produced. But
And
Tarapada- Tarapada advice.
today, but I know that father, but husband is blind.
Don't lie. Don't lie.
No.
You must have
No.
instigated your client. What will happen? What
here-
what
here
will
is-
do? He is
Here is
blind.
that neither the,
Take your
neither the.
under your guidance and under your legal advice, the wife is taking all steps. Okay, understood? Look,
But no,
The-
but the word would not be suffered.
the
So for the education is concerned.
headmaster এখানে লেখা আছে এই যে description-টা the respondent number 3 hearing by the order dated September 22, 2023 was directed to appear before this court personally on September 29, 2023. In compliance of the said order, he appeared as it appears from the report of the Registrar General of this court dated September 29, 2023. Stop. The respondent number 3 is also present personally before me. He is also present. Is also present today before me. Stop. His such further appearance is dispensed with until further order. Stop para. The petitioner is complaining that the school authority is not issuing transfer certificate of her son, who is a student of class 5 of the said
Now six, present.
class 6 of the said student school. Stop. Mr. Botin Banerjee.
Day, my lord. My lord.
Botin Day, learned counsel appears on behalf of the respondent number 3 and submits that the petitioner and there is a dispute, there is a matrimonial dispute between the petitioner and her husband, the respondent number 5 herein. 6, na? Respondent 6.
Respondent 4 and 3 and 4. 3 and 4, my lord.
No, 6 is the husband.
6 is the husband.
6 herein. And
No, on the hot.
the student, since was admitted by his father, the school authority is hesitant to issue the transfer certificate, said transfer certificate, without the consent of the respondent number 6. Stop. The respondent number 6 is not represented in the matter in spite of service. However, the school authority is directed to send a notice to the respondent number 6 intimating that his wife, the petitioner herein, has applied for a transfer certificate of his son. Stop. The school shall inform this court about the response of the respondent number 6 on receipt of the same notice on the next date of hearing. Matter be included on
Today, 3rd.
the 7th will take us on 10th or 12th October.
My lord,
12th or 13th October. 13th October. Mr. Tarapodo, Friday the 13th, appear.
My lord, 13th is difficulty, my lord.
Of course, it will continue.
My lord, 13th is
There is a 2
difficult.
PM matter.
13 or 12, right?
As a fixed matter, but it will continue.
No.
Extension of interim order will be taken up.
My lord, 13th is difficult, my lord. 13th is difficult, my lord. 12th is.
Very well, 12. Send the notice by tomorrow,
Fine.
wait for 7 days. If some response you get, you inform. If you do not get any response, you also inform this court, that also. 12th October. Matter
But it-
shall appear in the list at 12:30, at 12 on October 12, 2023 at 10:30.
My lord, personally,
Dispense with.
apply.
All these are similar matters, no?
Sir, but so far state council is concerned, your councils are different. State councils are different, but all the matter I am applying for the board.
Well, now the form fill up is started from today, but I have been not allowed to fill up the form.
But this is, the scope of the writ petition is otherwise. This has come only for the extension of.
Registration number, unless registration number is
May
there,
I, may I point out, my lord? Lord, Indian Nursing Council, my lord, is the statutory authority which regulates these nursing programs, my lord. Now, it may so happen that the West Bengal Nursing Council is registering the admission on the score of the guidelines of the Indian Nursing Council. Lord, I have not been made a party. May I pray for before Lordship, my lord?
The scope of the writ petition was only, the prayer of the writ petition is
to register my registration number. Allowed to fill up the form of registration.
Not matter, my lord, your lordship, was last occasion when the matter was taken up by your lordship was pleased to direct the parties to file their reports. In item number 17, my lord, I am appealing for the state, and apart from 17, all the matters I am appealing for the board. I have come up with the report, my lord. Report is there. My lord, what I have got from this writ petition is this, my lord. Up to 2022, my lord, two subjects were there, XY. My lord, that is the eligible subject by which they can appear in that, enter into the nursing course. But in the 2023, that embargo is not there. Now government has lifted that subject. Anyone can, my lord, entry in any course, my lord. Petitioner's prayer is this, my lord.
register them.
Register them, their name in the nursing course, my lord. My humble submission is this, my lord. This is a fact, admitted fact. Up to 2022, petitioner cannot. But, my lord, only scope is there. 2023 government has lifted the embargo of that subject.
That was the retrospective effect given.
No retrospective effect is there. So, my lord, this is the position. Now your lordship has to decide whether they can get the benefit of retrospective effect, though there is no retrospective effect in the notification.
Supposing in 2020, there was a subject which was the mandatory subject to be taken by the petitioner or any of the person wants to get entry in the nursing course. She had no such eligibility criteria.
Yes, this is
now.
a state nursing council.
Yes,
Please take item number 10. Item number 10, he is appearing for the state.
No, item number 17 is appearing for the state.
Except 17, all matter you appear.
Yes. Item number 20, let's the BISWAJIT is appeared. BISWAJIT Bastumal. Item number 20.
We'll give the appearances, but I will not trouble your lordship. Lord.
Item number 15, 17 and 20. I am appearing 15, Mr. Chaudhary appearing 17, and Bastumal is 20.
Basu Mullik is appearing in 20. And so far, so up to 15 you appear, from 16 to 20 Basu Mullik appear. You are appearing for
17.
17, except 17.
Lord, I am filing my
Wait.
And for board, I am
10
appearing
to
all the
15.
matters, Lord, except 17.
10 to 14 at a common year. Leave is granted to add. What is the description of your organization?
Indian Nursing Council, my lord.
Indian
Nursing Council.
Give the detail of that.
My lord.
Now,
I'm giving, my lord.
to add Indian Nursing Council as party respondent to the petition. Full নামটা দিয়ে লিখুন।
Lord, may I accept the service on their behalf?
Yes, yes. Mr.
Lord, a copy be
Yes,
served.
yes.
এই যে,
Appears on behalf of the added respondent and waits service of formal notice upon his client.
Indian Nursing Council, my lord.
Your junior is also appearing?
No, my lord, I am appearing.
You are alone. He is sergeant. None appears on behalf of the copy of the writ petition be served upon. নামটা দিয়ে লিখবেন। তারপর লিখুন none appears on behalf of the state respondents under such circumstances. AGP, you are appearing alone or with your junior?
Junior is there, Lord.
No, appointment. Give the name. Mr. Planet AGP and Mr. such and such and advocate, learned advocate who is in a state role are appointed to represent the state respondent. Their appointment be regularized. Copy of the writ petition be served upon junior যার নাম আছে একটা করে করুন। 10 এটা হলো item number 10, right? তারপর আসুন 11 to 14 is the same order. On in 15 খালি ওখানে আছেন উনি, ওখানে খালি লিখবেন ইন্ডিয়ান নার্সিং কাউন্সিল বি অ্যাডেড, ওই অ্যাডিশনের অর্ডারটা হবে এখানে, রাইট? 15 goes. 16 no one is appearing.
No. 16 I am for the board.
16 you are for the board. State for the state.
In all the matters, I am for the board except 17.
Oh, very well,
I am
very
for the state.
well, very well. Give your appearances.
Yes, my lord. I have already given my.
State appointment দিয়ে দিন। Same as state. Mr. Bosu Mollik, you appear
On 20, madam, I am appearing.
21 or 20?
20.
20. বলো এটা?
হ্যাঁ,
18-19 করি বাবু।
অর্ডার করেছে
10 to 14 same. 18-19. Mr. Bosu Mollik's appointment is junior. Give your the name of your junior. And 20 always he is there. Addition, order of addition is anyway every matter. Soft copy under this same heading,
junior
প্রতিটা থাকবে, matter be included in the list on 12th October, 13th October, no, up to 11 I have no problem. 11 I'll be here. No, 11 not possible. After vacation will not. Vacation they are to required to register their name, na? 16th October.
Yes.
We are grateful, my lord.
Same heading. Extension of.
Lord, in item number. Report me, Lord, in item.
File on the next date.
My lord.
The time will be extended if it is found you are found to be eligible.
My lord, in item number 12 and 14, I appear for the respondent number 14, Institute of Child Health. My lord, may I file my affidavit, my lord?
Institute of Child Health.
Faculty of Nursing, my lord, the institution in which the petitioners are studying.
They are coming from the same institution or different
No,
institution?
Lord, different institutions,
You
12
are
and 14.
appearing for this, in which item?
In 12 and 14.
12 and 14. Respondent number?
Lord, respondent number 6.
Keep it with you. Give your appearance only today. Give your appearance. Let the record be in order. Then I'll be taking all affidavits on record.
We are grateful. Lord.
12 আর 14 আর একটা পার্টি অ্যাপিয়ার করছে রেসপন্ডেন্ট ওর নামটা নিয়ে নিন
extended team.
let it be there 2 p.m. matter
We are grateful. Lord. Grateful. Lord.
correct the cause title
Yes, here and now. I'll
পরে আমি উঠে যাওয়ার পরে দেবেন আমি উঠে যাওয়ার পরে রেকর্ড দেবেন আমি উঠে যাওয়ার পরে রেকর্ড দেবেন item number 2 p.m. fixed matter কোথায়
Now, my lord, this 2 p.m. fixed matter, my lord, I was told, my lord, that learned advocate general will appear in this matter. So, can lordship, yes, sir.
this court has appointed rather not appointed has asked Mr. Gupta
Lordship,
to appear as an amicus curiae so that I can get the appropriate assistance.
my lord. On the last occasion, we have filed a report.
That is what? The pleading and the two essential documents which was handed over to this court on the last occasion regarding this Paray Samadhan, what is the source of this? That 2 copies you have got. এই দুটো দেননি এটা দিয়েছিল আর একটা কি জানো not petition. There are some documents. So you have got the report of the
I've got the report and the supplementary affidavit.
report with all annexures you have got. Writ petition you have got.
Supplementary affidavit of the petition.
কোথায় supplementary affidavit কোথায়? গেল সব।
My lord didn't take the supplementary affidavit. Supplementary.
Oh, it was not filed.
No, my lord.
একটা কাজ করুন তো আপনি স্যারকে রেকর্ডটা দিন you please inspect the record and find out what are the papers
At a
not
copy the
available.
supplementary.
দিচ্ছি। বলছি ওটা একটাই আছে আমি জেরক্স করে দিই।
Let it be.
জেরক্স করে দিয়ে দেবো।
দিয়ে দিস
এখন
মনে
একটাই
করে।
আছে, হ্যাঁ।
Mr. Advocate General will appear.
Now, my lord, lordship on the last occasion directed us to file another affidavit with regard to certain facts, my lord.
Not facts,
Yes.
actually, the argument which was advanced,
My lord.
the source, Mr. Dotto wanted to trace out from 10C.
My lord.
That I want to,
Yes, my lord, we have clarified that. So far that part is concerned, my lord.
let Mr. Gupta go through the.
Order dated 14th of September 23 of your lordship. I need a copy of that. And there are 2 other documents I find regarding Duare Sarkar and Paray Samadhan. Other than these, no, I have.
And the order, copy of the order.
আছি না 18-19
এই যে শুনুন yes I'm just clarifying that এই দুটো কপি photocopy standard SOP of the Duare Sarkar and Paray Samadhan. It's all annexures with the reports of this who are the nodal officers of this. Now, board kindly apprise this court regarding this. What?
Copy of your lordship's order.
Yes, copy of the order. Download করে দিয়ে দেবেন তখন। That yes, the transfer orders made. How many transfer orders? The West Bengal Board of Secondary Education shall also file a report in the form of a bit disclosing how many orders of transfer were issued by the board under the instruction of the respondent number 11. The respondent number 11 is the Commissioner of School Education.
Let a copy be circulated.
How this has developed. Now, this petitioner is praying transfer, is an assistant teacher praying transfer of his school from one school to another school. So obviously the question arose how you can, these different ways of looking into it. Then the court of the view of this court is that the transfer is an integral part of your job. Wherever there is a requirement of the students, you must go there. Then on affidavit, a document was brought on the record that without giving go by to the all transfer procedures, 10A, 10B, 10C, commission's order, the board's intervention, transfer orders were issued for 87 teachers under this Duare, what is called? Padaya Samadhan. And Commissioner of Education directly did it.
Not 87, my lord, in my report I have submitted that we have received recommendation of 100. And out of that, 96 appointments have been given. So the details are in the report.
Transfer. After transfer, what is called? Appointment after transfer. Fresh appointment later, or what is?
Appointment letter.
Is it transfer? Transfer order issued by the
On basis of-
commission recommended?
No.
Without it. Peculiarly, the commission who is supposed to recommend such transfer, they were given that you are not required to do anything. By only Padaya Samadhan will do everything.
But my report will everything is will reveal for my report. Lordship, kindly come to the annexure at page 7. Your lordship.
Let us go one by one. Your supplementary affidavit is? Why the supplementary affidavit? The petitioner?
The supplementary affidavit was filed because in the annexure majority in page 4, the petitioner was applied as a life science, the bioscience.
Oh, this is a correction of that your application form. That is supplementary affidavit.
Yes, my lord. But in the portal shows that
Now, what is your report, Mr. Bosumulli?
Now, so
Further
far
report?
this report is concerned, Lordship has want to know with regard to 1610 circular and whether that circular has still in force or not, and whether any effect has been given it to it not. Now, so far my affidavit is concerned, but I have clarified so far that circular on which, my lord, this transfer has been made, that is on 16/10/20. That circular is no more. I have on oath I'm saying that.
Amicus Curiae, late entry of amicus curiae. Therefore, I must apprise him what is the possible. If you kindly take up page 119 of the report of the the Commissioner of School Education. Page 19. How this West Bengal School Service Commission has been paralyzed totally. C, omission due to lack of infrastructure. The infrastructure is to be developed by the state, but the state taking advantage of the lack of infrastructure actually is showing a cause, and thin human resources, unable to perform the said duties since long, resulting in frustration amongst the employees of the schools. If this observation is of the state itself, why not the commission be dissolved? You go, you need not, we will do everything. This is one aspect of the looking into the matter. The other aspect, the motive behind it. There must be something to usurp the statutory power of the commission, the board, by this administrative notice. And this notice has been sought to be justified on the power of 10C of the 97. It is ridiculous, but I have to hear it. But I could not swallow. That 10C is the power, is the source of issuing us of this notification.
This virus has been offered.
Now, 10C is the power.
Therefore, take resort to that.
আজকে দিল বোর্ড ওটা এসেছিল
Oh, you have published another notification
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
on 16th October.
no, ওটা আলাদা।
Where is that notification?
Page 19, my lord, kindly take of my lord the
Earlier report.
earlier report.
Page 19, I have seen the. Yes, that is the 16th October.
Correct.
20.
Yes.
It is still prevailing or it has been withdrawn?
No, gone, my lord. It's gone. Your lordship will find, my lord, that 16th, my lord, October at page 19, bottom provides until further order, whichever is earlier, my lord. It was open-ended, my lord. I don't justify it at all. But, my lord, this is gone now, my lord. It doesn't remain.
Where is that notification?
My lord, kindly come to, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, page 6 of, my lord, the second report.
Yes.
My lord, this is, my lord, the new notification which comes out.
That is there. That is there. That has been possibly 6 of the 2015 rules
Correct.
replaced by new.
Correct.
That we are talking about.
Yes,
Now this has online process has come.
yes. And my lord, this is also there. My lord, এটা কপি দিয়েছেন? কপি আর দিয়েছো আরো? তো এটা লাগাও নি। এটা কপি দাও। My lord, this, my lord, came out. My lord, I said I needed something even more clearer. My lord, kindly have a look. My lord, your lordships, my lord, putting it on me, I'm trying to get it done, my lord, as much as possible.
The last 2 lines of the 60, I do not want to put that. You understand what
Yes,
is 16th October notice, page 9, sir, page 19. That 2 lines, issuance of formal order of till situation improves or until further order, whichever is earlier.
My lord, like interim orders.
Like now the interim stands vacated, a deemed vacation on 2021. It is hard to digest. You
No,
have
my
to
lord, but my lord,
reconcile a
but we have
situation.
this now, my lord, that we are bound by it.
Henceforth,
Yeah.
forward.
Yes.
But what happened to that?
My lord,
How can you give effect to that retrospectively when you have taken,
My-
usurped all power of commission?
my lord, I'll just check on one thing, my lord, which I wanted facts and figures on, whether advantage of this was taken, my lord, 16th October, my lord, at all. My lord,
Yes.
my lord,
The
may I?
boards, finally see, the boards affidavit.
Now, my
Where is
lord,
that? If you see the board's affidavit, I am only concerned about this, that board's affidavit. Yeah. Please, you will be provided with all these things. So just now, what Mr. Learned Advocate General has pointed out, whether the advantage of this situation or this notification has been taken by how many teachers, how many persons. This is number one. And if this favor was given to a bunch of people, why this was given? Why? What was the motive by this principal secretary in issuing this? A regularly function commission is there. Either government may say, whether at all can say that commission has done, we need not require this commission. We will do it by ourselves. But this suspension.
এই যে স্যার রিপোর্টটা দিয়েছেন এই সার্কুলারটা এসেছে স্যার 8 সেপ্টেম্বর 21 ও যেগুলো দেখাচ্ছে
আগে
জানুয়ারি
হ্যাঁ কিন্তু 16th অক্টোবরের অ্যাডভান্টেজ নিয়েছে হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ ওইটা 16 মানে
All these are illegal transfers.
Well, here that you has been mentioned.
Yes, I have seen. Please see page 8. If it starts from page 7.
Yes,
these
my
are
lord,
the
I've seen that.
teachers. These are the teachers.
Total 100 recommendations.
Where is that? The next bunch.
From time to time, my lord, page 10 is the other one.
Same day, your lordship, the date is, my lord, same. That is 15/1/2021.
Either the state has to propose a remedial measure. These teachers, they should not take the advantage of this.
Advantage ছিল কি না
The commission has no record of these teachers. Nothing.
16-10 সার্কুলার
This movement has got no record of with the commission.
After the 2016 notification of the commission.
No. Now by this time, there is nothing on record with you. This 100 teachers at least.
I'll still check. Since I have been served with the
কমিশনের
affidavit.
পাওয়ারই ছিল না।
I will check.
my lord now let me my lord have a,
Take some remedial measures. One
let
thing,
me find out my lord what is because my lord as I said my lord 16th October my lord wouldn't be a votary of
I
it.
understand.
So
I
my lord, if
understand.
something has happened under it, let us my lord examine my lord.
Examine every situation you examine. You have to come out of this situation and what is the motive behind it. You find out. There must be something in it. There must be something in it. Some of the you have not given any date, reference of the date.
Lordship, I have annexed all the notification memos through which the recommendations were made. Well, they are total. It is the last paragraph of Lordship. Total, we have received in 8 different memos. Total 100. Well, paragraph number 11, page 6, I've stated that board has received by 8 different memos from the Commission of School Education recommended.
Still the existing Commissioner of School Education. 2021, who was there?
My lord, no, my lord. I know he isn't my lord because he was in higher education department who I dealt with earlier. My lord.
2021, who was the
My
Commissioner?
lord, someone else, my lord, not the present one.
Who was the Commissioner of School Education?
Mm. 2021 who was?
Mr. Gupta, while you are
15 January.
scrutinizing all the papers, keep in mind, it is not that the legality of the notice. The legality of the notice, possibly, Mr. Advocate is not justified. He is on the way that how it happened. But what was the background? Kindly keep it in mind. You have to think over that issue also, because I have to unearth what was actually happened over there. These 100 teachers were not there. There may be some favored child were there. And only to accommodate them, this has been done. আসুন তো।
My lord, a gentleman called Onindo Narayan Bishwas. My lord, he was Dr. Onindo Narayan Bishwas. My lord, and ex-IAS is retired now. He was, my lord.
But he is open to any interrogation.
No, correct. If,
Open to any-
my lord, if there are, my lord, circumstances suggesting. that, my lord,
Suggested, then the.
My lord,
commissioner or
unfortunately
whoever
now,
involved.
my lord, unfortunately now, my lord, the education department is mired in suspicion. My lord, that's my lord the problem.
That is the whole problem.
Yeah. Otherwise, your lordships wouldn't think this way.
Yeah, others should not
Yeah.
happen. That this is the.
Yeah. So, my lord, let me check, my lord, because now, my lord, there are many matters without a written instruction, my lord. I
You
don't
please
open
take
my mouth.
instruction. The court is the mind
Yeah.
of any deep-rooted investigation into the matter.
Yes.
I will always repose confidence on the state agencies, subject to they can show their.
Yes.
But if it is not, then I have to take the other way around.
Yes.
Isn't it? Ashok. This court, on the request of this court, Mr. Lokhi and its senior attorney agrees to assist this court as amicus curiae. Stop. The petitioner is, learned advocate, the petitioner is required to supply all the pleadings, affidavits and materials filed in this matter. Copy of the petition, other materials to Mr. Gupta, if not already supplied. So, a supplementary affidavit is filed on behalf of the petitioner. And a further report in compliance with the order dated September 14, 2023. The Commissioner of School Education, the respondent 11 herein, files his second report, and the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education files and a report on the form of affidavit. Of copies of the said report / affidavit be circulated among the learned counsel for the appearing parties. Stop. Tell me a convenient date for you and sir, for you also, but before vacation. Just to get an.
Yes, my lord, we should have, my lord, a preliminary thing
Yes,
before the
preliminary
vacation.
things.
Yes.
That will continue. The hardening part.
কবে রাখবে বলো? 9 তারিখ হবে next Monday. Monday, Tuesday বাদ দিয়ে Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday.
And commission is a party over here. You are a party to that. You take your instruction, verify your records with the report of the board. And you have to justify your letter that we don't have any infrastructure. We don't have the manpower. Please take kindly come here and rule our kingdom. You have asked another king to come your kingdom. Please justify that. Who wrote this letter? Whether he is in or out. It's a well hatched up plan. Very difficult to untie all these gits anywhere. When?
My lord, could it be Friday the 13th?
Friday the 13th. Are you indicating there is investigation? 13, eh? And matter will appear at 10:30 on.
My lord, if it's 10:30, my lord, it can be any day. My lord, Friday, because I think everybody was insisting subject to your lordship's approval for 2 p.m. That's why I said Friday.
10:30. 10:30 will do, sir, or 10:30 on?
Then, my lord, even earlier, my lord, prefer 11th or 12th, my lord. Rather.
Can you manage it by 12, 10:30, 12? Hard in part. Dr. Patro, no report has been called for, but you please justify the letter which has you written to Education Department. Whether thereafter your manpower has increased, that is why again you are started working, your infrastructure developed, your
No, that has happened, my lord, that I'm aware of. My lord.
infrastructure
Yes.
developed.
My lord, manpower, my lord, lot of people were not attending. That much I know. Because in other matters, my lord, facts and figures, my lord, had been given.
Please take care of
Yes,
this
sir.
Education Department. The School Education Department. Now see, if this is and it is prevailing till date, meaning thereby, in the meantime, whatever appointment letters were issued by the board without the approval of the board, that all goes. 2016 appointment, entire selection process has not gone. Some of the appointments are already there. But that was done without the approval of the board. And in that letter also, the power of the board to issue under the act itself to issue the appointment, it has been taken away by an administrative order.
নিজেদের রাজত্ব হবে না এই লোকগুলো সবকিছু নিজেদের রাজত্ব
No, 21.
My lord, the transfer matter, lordship.
এগুলো কোথায় ট্রান্সফার
না।
Now, Lordship, in this matter, in pursuance to your Lordship's order, dated 16th August, now they have come up with a decision. I have
Where is the
gone through the
decision?
decision. They have handed over a copy of the decision in the court also, I think. I have gone through the decision. It appears to me.
Where is the decision?
Lordship, the copy was handed over, Lordship.
এরকম এরকম ছিল ছিল না কোথায় গেল পায়া
Is it dated 19th August?
No, my lord, 28th
August 2023.
এগুলো দেওয়া হয়নি এগুলো এগুলো পিটিশনারকে দেওয়া হয়েছে কোর্টকে দেওয়া হয়েছে
So almost all copies are same, cycle style.
No, they are not. I've read them carefully.
I will demonstrate how, Lordship. Yes.
No, this has possibly not filed. No?
Lordship, I will.
Wait, wait. Let it come from the proper custody. এইটা তো আজকেই আসলো, আগে দেবে কোথা থেকে? This has been listed for today only.
Yes.
No, this was running in the
No.
list for quite a.
Earlier, this was adjourned because they were the representation was not disposed of.
This was disposed of. Thereafter, Lordship, it was adjourned because the showing indicating in the list, transfer matter would be comments from a particular number.
Oh,
কাগজগুলো কোথায়
no, this was handed over to you
Yes.
on the last occasion.
And
No,
it
they should
Because
be there.
decision taken when? When taken?
was taken on 28th August
Yes, it is there.
2020. And according to me, Lordship, this particular order does not comply with their own requirements. Lordship, kindly read it with me once.
কোনটা পড়ছো আর
Should Mr. Chandra, sir. Lordship, I am skipping the first paragraph, not important. I am from second paragraph in compliance with Honorable Court's order dated 16th August 2023. In WPA such and such, the writ petitioner submitted a representation before the Commissioner of the School Education, West Bengal, and the said representation is considered in depth from this end in the following paragraphs. On the basis of the approval of the School Education Department, West Bengal, the Central School Service Commission has recommended transfer of the above-mentioned teacher on the basis of the rationalization policy in terms of notification such and such dated 10 February 2022. Now, within the present framework of rationalization policy order, scope of exclusion. Lordship, kindly, this is very important. Scope of exclusion from the proposal of transfer on rationalization has been checked with regard to the principles such as one, where aged 57 years or above.
You are not. You are not.
I'm not.
You are not.
Two, whether belonging to PH category.
You are
I'm
not.
Whether a senior teacher of the concerned subject in school.
Not.
I am.
You are.
But
You
senior
are.
teacher, because senior teacher of the concerned subject, I am one of the senior teachers.
If seniority comes on the.
Yes, but this appears to be vague. I will be coming to that.
Yes. So you are stressing on this point.
I am coming to that. Whether the teacher is a single subject teacher, whether teacher of HS section along with pupil teach and subject teacher ratios of normal section of the present and proposed schools of the teacher. The detailed findings as per data available in such and such, where data have been put in by the authorities of the respective schools are mentioned below. Now, data have been put in by the authorities of the respective schools. Now, school name such and such and the name of the proposed school. It appears that the petitioner is surplus teacher as per rationalization policy considered on the ground stated above, and therefore not entitled to be exempted on any of the grounds stated above. It appears petitioner in a representation has stated her personal problems such as distance of the proposed school from their residence, medical issues, etc., which are not criteria mentioned in the notification number such as that thereafter it is fit. Now, Lordship, kindly come to their own proposal. One, in my writ petition, page 24.
Oh, writ petition you have given. Very well. No, Chair.
My writ petition, page 24. The following policy is hereby introduced for rationalization of teachers working in recognized non-government aided sponsored secondary schools in the state. As the required number of subject group teachers in terms of government order regarding staff pattern in ratio of the student, no reflection. They have violated their rule related to staff pattern. They only relied on the data given by the school. They did not have their own data also. They admits in this particular report. Each class has to be maintained in secondary schools, the upper primary, secondary HS school having surplus.
So you are suggesting that the commissioner or this, which department should have their data of their own?
Department should come up with a complete data, because why?
You are proposing the school education department should have a complete.
Maintain a portal data that on the basis of which this can be sorted out.
Therefore, without that, they should not.
They should not, because otherwise the scope of arbitrariness would be higher. Now, HS school having surplus subject group teachers. Number 2, Lordship, in ratio of the students are proposed to serve to schools having less subject group teachers or adverse PTR to start reallocation in first priority. The schools suffering most adversely for want of subject group teachers in ratio of the student may be taken care with the schools having most number of the excessive subject teachers. The new entrance in the service may be ordered to serve the less teacher. There is no new entrance. We don't know when it will be. Adverse PTR schools in first priority, teachers appointed in physical disability category, old teachers who is going to retire within 2 years, female teachers having children to take care will remain in last priority for purpose of reallocation. While allocating teachers, from here my dispute comes. While allocating teachers from the schools having surplus teacher, endeavor may be taken to allocate them within district, where he or she presently working to a school having less subject group teachers or adverse PTR in the same district. If no match is available at district level, then such teachers may be placed at regions level, so on and so forth. So if no matches is available at the district level. Now, this particular order by which they have disposed of my representation, they have not given any effort to find out whether any endeavor was made to find out any match is there within the district of Kolkata. And the male teachers cannot be placed in girls' school. I am not on that. Due care should be taken in regard to medium of instruction. A school, in case of school running with the less subject group teachers with adverse PTR, but vacancies of teaching post of the school have been reported for direct recruitment and process is not completed, then Lordship such and such is there.
Not the condition.
No,
so you are mainly on paragraph 3 of the notification.
Yes, my lord, kindly, as
That-
well as the data. Because data, if it is given, the paragraph 2 would be satisfied.
Yes, that the School Education Department must maintain a data of the pupil-teacher ratio and other aspect concerning the policy before its implementation. This is your first. It is by way of a suggestion. Second is that the order of transfer or the representation has been disposed of, but there is no reflection that the endeavor is made as contemplated under paragraph 3 of the. These are the two things you want to.
As well as my personal things, they have not considered, because ultimately your lordship had relegated the matter to them to consider these things. Now, lordship, there is one notification of the.
You are in which school?
Presently, lordship, I am in
Bagh Bazaar. You have been
Kashmir
Post to Kamdepur.
Maharaja Kashim Bazar Savitri Shikkhayatan.
So you reside in the Kolkata. Where you
Kolkata.
reside?
Lordship, I reside in.
Where is the personal inconvenience you have stated in your
My
petition?
representation which was given.
Where is that? Representation?
Lordship, I stated personal obligations, said writ petitions, and I have served severe complication and right knee with Minicius tier and
Where is
with-
your
my
representation?
representation was on the leave of your lordship. Lordship, it was given to them, lordship. I have one copy, lordship.
Have you got a copy of it?
No. It's already handed over to your lordship and.
So this is the ground and service tenure. You have devoted 22 years of service in this and distance. Very well. These are the three aspects of the matter.
Lordship, so far, the order, the related to the this teachers ratio, that is maintaining of the minimum staff pattern rules. Okay. This is the rules of 1998, that 670, Lordship, earlier I have handed over. It says that distribution of teaching staff in the recognized non-government junior high school, junior high madrasa, high school, in continuation of such and such, how this would be given. 94.
Copy of the representation you have.
Copy of the representation, Lordship, I have handed over, Lordship.
No, you give me a copy. I have to take it on record.
Lordship, I will give a copy. I will take it.
Photocopy করে দিন।
Lordship, it is there in the file, Lordship, if I can.
It is there, already there. Yes, it's already there. What do you want to show me?
Lordship, that is the law related to the bare minimum staff pattern. That how it has to be done. Because that
This
formula
is
cannot be-
distribution, subject is different teaching staff in the recognized knowledge high school. And how it is coming in your aid?
Lordship, this is for the purpose of finding that this should be followed for the bare minimum staff pattern. Because for maintenance of the bare minimum staff pattern, this is the law operating the field. That's
is
why
the
I wanted
violation?
to show your lordship.
What is the violation in recommending the transfer?
There may be the violation. If we get the data, then only we can find it out whether there is a violation, because they're determining the surplus. They're telling this teacher is a surplus teacher. Now, lordship, that has to be done on the basis of subject to correction on the basis of this.
In identifying you as a surplus teacher of this school, this
formula should be followed.
authority should adhere to this guideline, which
Right.
has not been done according to you.
Subject to satisfaction
প্রসেনজিৎ, আমার এক পুরনো ক্লায়েন্ট, তার বাড়ি ঘরের ব্যাপারে বোধহয় কিছু করতে টরতে হবে, মানে হয় পার্টিশন, তারপর প্রমোটার, আর কোথায় উইল করতে হবে। তা উইলের ব্যাপারটা তুমি বলো, এটা তো ম্যাডাম করতে পারবে না। আমি বাকি তোমার ফোন নাম্বার দিচ্ছি, প্রমোটিং কোডিং যা দেখা তুমি দেখে নিও। আগে কত তোমার ফোন নাম্বারটা ওনাকে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি। ওনার নাম ডক্টর শিপর্ণা ব্যানার্জি। দুই বোন আর মা ছিলেন, মা আছেন কিনা জানি না, মানে ভালো ফ্যামিলি। আমার ক্লায়েন্ট দেখে শুনে করে দিও, কেমন? আর যদি আর উইলের কথা বলছো, না উইলটা আমিও করি, কিন্তু ওই কাজগুলো ওই করে, প্রপার্টি দেখভাল, ডিড বানানো এই করা আমার জুনিয়রই করে। এই পার্টি আগে নাও পুরোটা, হ্যাঁ পুরোটা এইটাই। হ্যাঁ, আর দ্বিতীয় কথা হচ্ছে, তো আমি তো থাকলেও তোমার ওইটুকু তো সিনিয়র হিসেবেই করবো, তুমি পুরোটা দায়িত্ব নিয়ে নাও আমাকে যেটুকু। ঠিক আছে, এখন তোমাকে ওর ফোন নাম্বার, ওকে তোমার ফোন নাম্বার পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি। ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা, the petitioner, the representation of the petitioner for reconsideration of the recommendation of her transfer to Kamdepur Snehabala Milon Vidyapit, District 24, Pargana South, from Maharaja Kashim Bazar Savitri Shikshalaya, Kolkata, under his office memorandum bearing memo number, এটা উল্লেখ করে দিলাম, dated August 28, 2023. Mr. Chatterjee, learned counsel for the petitioner, please leave to file exception to the said memorandum. Leave as prayed for is granted. Such exception be affirmed by by 5th October 5. The commissioner, the respondent number কত হচ্ছে? Commissioner of School Education party?
No. They are not the party.
Commissioner of School Education.
They were the adjudicating authority. Because
Not the adjudicating authority, yes, such.
To consider
Only to
representation.
relegate them under a power, the Commissioner of School Education shall file an affidavit in response to the said exception on the next date of hearing.
In the meantime, Lordship may be granted liberty to add him as a party.
Not necessary now. I have been, you will file your exception. Commissioner shall file an affidavit in response to your.
Lordship.
I want to get the relevant things
Yes,
on
Lordship.
that. So you are filing, you are affirming it October 5. So 10th of October is the transfer matter date. Matter will be on 10th October. Shall we pay in the list at 10:30 on 10th October?
And my lord, the commissioner should file by the 9th.
Not file, you just get it,
Very
upon
well.
file on the next
Very
day,
well.
circulate him a copy.
Very well. ঠিক আছে আরে ঠিক আছে
Just
my lord,
point-
in case I'm slightly late, my lord, pass over, my lord.
Yes, yes, I need to get the only one thing
Yes.
because he has taken a 2 points. The point of this paragraph 3 not followed,
Yes,
and the another is in the form of advice that education department should maintain
my
a
lord, that's the
total
most,
data.
my lord, that's, my lord, is for PILs, my lord. My lord,
That you advise your
Yes.
client, that you advise your client.
My lord, that is for
That
PIL, my lord.
Henceforth, the entire scenario will be in the website. It one day will come.
Yeah.
Upon all appointment particulars, all movement in the website.
My lord, your lordship seen, my lord, portals don't necessarily solve the problem. My lord, they sometimes compound it. My lord, 10B, my lord, is a clear case, my lord, an example of that. Clear example.
But another problem, Lordship, because of the now they have.
Mr. Chatterjee, they have to change their mindset.
Right.
That we are working here. We are not to see what are the rights over there only. We have some duties to be performed.
Right.
In Kolkata, there cannot be, these teachers cannot be accommodated. Very hard to say, but this is the reality.
No, that's why, Lordship, even.
The
Lordship,
problem of the education department is to revive the Kolkata schools. This can only be done if the syllabus is made appropriate syllabus, time-bound
My lord, there have
syllabus.
taken steps, my lord, as persons I've spoken to. My lord, they have said, my lord, it'll take about, my lord, to get everything in place. Because they explained to me, my lord, one is curriculum, then is syllabus. My lord, I was a bit confused, my lord, as to how they went. But there were, my lord, people who have experience, my lord, who I spoke.
Include them.
Yes.
That you suggested.
Yes,
bring
my lord,
somebody.
my lord, I've told them later, my lord, not to come into the picture, my lord, because they may not know if something happens behind their back. My lord, so my lord, I can't, my lord, recommend.
You know,
Another
I
thing,
was
Lordship,
reading, I was reading a book written by Mitra Ghosh publishers,
Yes.
Sobhitendranath Roy, about the College Street. There I got information about something about Dr. Taposh Banerjee as a detail of 2-3, one chapter alone. Then I presented it to Justice Arijit Banerjee. Look here what he did one time. His chamber was full of those persons. Dr. Suniti Chattopadhyay, Kalidas Roy, everyone was there. And I was reading a part of how the syllabus committee was formed.
Yes.
They used to sit in the office room of Mitra Ghosh, used to debate over one line, whether that will be Dantan or it will be a Muddan in the spelling. This was the, over a Muri and
Yes.
Badam. They used to spend the whole of the evening on a line of that what should be the syllabus of the class 10 boys. Now the syllabus, see the syllabus. I don't know. If you can, please take care of the only this renowned school of Kolkata. If they survive, the education department will.
Lordship, the
get some.
problem lies somewhere else. Problem lies with the education policy, the new education policy of the country, which has been tacitly accepted by the state.
No, we've not
That
actually.
is the
Frankly speaking, the education department, the last 34 years, the education department, it has been totally destroyed.
But Lordship, the question is that the
Totally
mass
destroyed.
education was there. Then the number that education.
Not
was
only
there,
that English
primary
withdrawal, but also other aspects of the matter.
The
Huh?
government schools were alive. That's the
Government
thing.
schools were alive. The teachers in the High Court corridor.
Government schools were alive.
They
Now
were in
schools are
the
getting-
And my lord-
Maidan. They were in the Maidan.
My lord, they were, my lord, the political leaders. My lord,
They were.
my lord,
They were.
But Lordship,
How they can manage to come to court during the class hours?
Lordship, kindly see the number of dropouts in Madhyamik this year.
This is happening. This is a collateral damage. It is coming.
That was not.
What you have implanted long back. They
That's
are
what
only knowing. They are only knowing.
Lordship,
This is
solution
my
is there.
right.
I can suggest, Learned Advocate General is there to pull out that report of that Ashok Mitra Commission, that how to develop the primary education.
my lord, unfortunately, my lord, he became unpopular in his own party. My
Yes.
lord, I used to meet him, my lord, any time I was in Kolkata, my lord, I'd meet him because he had, my lord, he was one of the most learned men, and my lord had, my lord, an interest in, my lord, a subject which I was studying. So my lord, I used to discuss things with him. And my lord, not only that, He was a true, my lord, a person who believed in true federalism. And he had a lot of things to say apropos the constitution. And my lord, all along his view was that, my lord, constitution was only being interpreted one way, that it was centrist. It was really central rule without any partnership with, my lord, the states. He had a big grievance there.
Long back, I read one of his articles in Anandabazar Potrika. I kept it, this paper cutting for a long time. The writing was so excellent on these lines. What should be the center-state relationship
Correct.
in the framework of our constitution?
And my lord, not just that, my lord, I made the mistake of asking him a very stupid question. My lord, he was the man behind Sanchoita. My lord, I had asked him, how did you realize that this is? He said, well, I'm from Dhaka University and not presidency. So,
no, this is education system only if all of you can try.
We have to.
If they see, they should understand if this education, the government education system goes. You see all the time I'm saying the Hindu school, here school, see the condition of those schools. Who has killed it? In Hindu school, the entry should be on lottery system. Not on the merit system, but on the lottery system. Who introduced that? Who introduced that?
No. No, Lordship, that is also, there are reasons for that, Lordship, because of some other criteria. Even the study through the mother language, this Bangla, that for which the last 34 was
Mr. Chatterjee,
were mostly criticized.
The Bengalis learned the English first.
And
First,
that's what, Lordship.
from the English people. They landed over here first. But what is the condition of that? You have spoiled the entire generation. His entire generation.
But Lordship, that 34 years, Lordship did not see that the erosion in the number drop out. That is the highest now.
That is coming
that time it was increasing.
All the teachers were more interested in politics than doing their own job in the school. They are all are interested. Now they are doing the same thing over here.
Master the Shurjoshin.
The next one. The same matter?
my lord, yes, they're the same, my lord, kindly.
কোনটা? 22.
Lordship, item number 20, Lordship, handed over the representation to your Lordship. It's there in the file.
Just check it up the file.
There are
My lord,
reasons.
22 I don't have, my lord.
Sir, দিয়েছেন, sir.
না, ওরা করবে।
ওরা দিয়েছেন। বনানী পর্বত।
দিয়েছে, কিছু দেয়নি স্যার।
আমাদের
বনানী পর্বত আছে।
দাও যেটা দিল।
Yes.
ওকে দাও না।
Lordship, here, Lordship, I have given the district is the first reason. I've been transferred from the jurisdiction of District Inspector of School Education, Barakpur, to jurisdiction
No,
of
that you have taken. You go
Barakpur to
through it.
Murshidabad.
You take your exception over there.
Yes.
The similar type of order.
And Lordship decision, again the same decision. It appears that petitioner is a surplus teacher. It appears the representation has stated her personal problems.
Wait.
শর্মিষ্ঠা চন্দ্র হয়ে গেছে।
স্কুলের নাম দিও না, তাহলে তুমি আলাদা আলাদা করে লিখতে হবে। Recommendation for transfer. Has been disposed of. This is the memo number dated by the Commissioner of School Education. ঠিক আছে? Exception to the said report in response similar way. You file the similar affidavit,
Yes.
same way.
Lordship. এটা নিয়ে নাও তো বনানী পর্বত। স্যার, এটা রেখে দিন, এটা আমাকে যাচ্ছে।
কোনটা?
এই রিপ্রেজেন্টেশনের কপি আছে আমার কাছে।
আচ্ছা।
কি নাম আছে?
23 also, this is Tomalika Banerjee.
স্যার আছে।
The representation was made and Lordship, the decision has been given.
তোমার কাছে
Well, that's why I said that it is also the cyclostyle completely. Same.
একটা করে দেখো আমি বলে দেবো। Same date, huh? You file your exception, affirm your exception, circulate him, he can take the affidavit in response to that on the day.
My lord, all of them, my lord, up to 27.
Up to 27, the similar way.
Because only one is item number 25, Lordship. I have already made the representation, but decision has not yet been received.
নাম
Sushmita Modi. Nahi, nahi.
এই দেখি,
This is the
25 at order no.
or decision.
Decision.
So you can take the same.
Similar way, decision to know, 25. Representation, copy of the representation, give it. Similar. এদের নিন। So up to 27, clear off.
Clear off.
সেটা আছে
Except to 26.
Up to 26. What about the 27?
26, my lord, is my lord, the association. So my lord, I
Lordship, keep it.
that
No,
is,
after vacation, 26
No,
after vacation.
Yeah, keep it on the that don't keep it after vacation.
Come on the after vacation, ABTA, after vacation, 27.
27, my
ঠিক আছে।
lord. This matter, my lord, I beg to appeal for the petitioner, Mrs. Maiti is leading me, my lord. Whatever, my lord, Mrs. Maiti went for, my lord, medical treatment in Bangalore.
You have got
I have got the, my lord, the decision, and also exception I have filed, my lord.
file,
Only
copy
point- Copy already on the earlier occasion I have served.
কাকে
Only point is that, my lord, you also.
affidavit in response to that. So wait,
That is, I am, my lord,
Exception to কোথায়?
submitting before your lordships that your lordship is of the view. After getting the
let me hear Mr. Advocate General, that he is to file a response to that.
My lord, I need to file, my lord, to the
Ashun.
27.
27th of this.
স্যার জয়ন্তী চ্যাটার্জি এইছে স্যার অর্ডার
Exception you have not filed.
Yes, my lord, I have filed.
File.
Before your lordship, I have filed. I have filed, my lord.
Exception.
Wait,
Wait, exception. Sorry.
চ্যাটার্জিটাও দাও।
Mr. Maiti, learned
No, my lord.
counsel for the petitioner, files the
জয়তী চ্যাটার্জি।
exception.
28.
No, উল্টো করে দিতে। The Commission
হলো
of Physical
28
Education
27টা
under his
কি নাম?
memo bearing number 1104-LS.
শ্রীচন্দ্র সরকার
August
স্যার
28, 2020,
জয়তীটা আছে আমার কাছে।
has disposed of the representation of the petitioner
স্যার এক্সেশন
আরে
in
এক্ষুনি দিলাম তো।
consideration of our recommendation for transfer.
জয়তী
It
চ্যাটার্জি
will
তো
be
আছে,
kept with the record. Mr. Mukherjee, learned 27.
শ্রীচন্দ্র সরকার,
And Advocate General,
শ্রীচন্দ্র সরকার, exception
prays leave to file
নেই আমার
an
তো copy
affidavit in response to the said
ওটাই দিয়ে দেবো।
exception. Stop the level.
ওনাকে পরে
Let
দিয়ে দেবেন।
leave as prayed for is granted. Let such
Exception.
affidavit be filed on the next date of hearing. Matter shall appear
কি হইলো?
in the list on
10
10th October 10, 2023 at 10:30.
কোথায় চল?
মানে 20 না
28 ও আছে।
ওই যে
জয়তী হয়ে
28 is the same one. Hey, 28 same. 28.
হ্যাঁ অলরেডি আছে।
28 on the same date.
সেম ডেট।
Same date.
20.
26 after.
29.
Presentation has been filed.
Decision on representation. Who is for the state in this matter? 29. দেখি ফাইল দেখি।
তুমি আছো ভাস্করদা 29 কি নাম রে মামলার কি নাম আমি আছি 31 কি নাম আমি আছি বল না সেটা
Yes, where is that Mr. Advocate General? He has left. Ask him to, he appeared in this matter. Mr. Mollik, you appeared with the Mr. Advocate General.
yes I have
Is he appearing or he is not appearing?
no all the transfer matters are
Unless he comes, he was there. Inform him.
এই বল না একটু আচ্ছা স্যার এই জয়শ্রী মিশ্র আপনি আছেন কবে থেকে আছে স্যার
আরে একই রকম হলো 27 আর 28 তো একই রকম। Yes, you are appearing in this matter.
My lord, I had appeared earlier, my lord.
Yes.
Now what I've been given is 21 to 28. Is this item 20?
No.
29 sir
29 you are appearing. 29 your name is appearing. You are appearing with him. Now the same way, who is for the petitioner?
না মিস্টার ডিসিশন হয়েছে আরে
Decision has not yet received. Representation has been filed on 25th August
Not so.
2023.
Yes, Mr. BASU Mollik, take instruction about this matter. The representation of the petitioner for reconsideration of her recommendation for transfer is pending before the Commissioner of School Education. Stop. Mr. Chatterjee, learned counsel for the petitioner, files a copy of the said representation dated August 24, 2023. Let it be kept with the record.
What is appearance?
The Commissioner of School Education. The matter be included the list on matter shall appear 10:30 to get the same date 10:30 to get the decision of the Commissioner of School Education on the said Commissioner of School Education on the said representation. Mr. BASU Mollik, in the meantime, get the decision, if possible. Next. 30.
I am for the petition, my lord, here also.
স্যার আপনার কাছে আমি রিপোর্ট দেখেছি
Yes, you are appearing.
My lord, I've stayed back, my lord, that's fine.
অনুপম ধবল আপনার কাছে স্যার আমি
Same way.
Same way,
Disposed of.
here decision has been given.
Decision given.
আপনার কাছে আমি কাগজ দেখেছি
Earlier order. Please give me a copy of the representation is. Oh no, decision given.
Decision given. I request your lordship to vote all decisions.
Copy of the representation is not available.
All decisions are psychostate.
আচ্ছা
32.
এইটা ওই আগের মতো হবে। যে রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন দিয়েছে হ্যাঁ ওতে এক্সেপশন দেব আর যেরকম করে হয়েছে প্রথমেরটা হ্যাঁ প্রথম যেগুলো ছেড়ে দিন এই এটা অ্যাডভোকেট জেনারেল সাহেবকে দিয়ে So you can wait.
Only one thing I will visit your lordship. I have made an application to the Commission of School Education, which is much prior to
That I will consider, but not now. It will be, but come on the monthly list. October monthly list. Let this 10C matter goes. November. 32. Why? No representative finally after vacation. Next. Representation given. আরে appearance গুলো দেখো অ্যাডভোকেট জেনারেল সাহেব চলে যাচ্ছে।
এই আমি যেগুলো এগুলো কেউ থাকছেন আমাকে দেখিয়ে দিন।
He was there. Yes, you are there. Mr. Advocate General, you are there.
Yes, sir,
And in that case, peculiarly, you did not have any junior. You appear alone.
On that day, I was not there.
So this is the decision. And where is the representation? Mr. Chatterjee, Shobhosaji Chatterjee, your matter. You are disowning your own client. Give the copy of the representation. Give the copy, same order. Supply the copy of the representation, same order. Misplaced on pin code. 33, 34, 35. 10C,
Lords. Not only that, my lord. Kindly turn, my lord.
35 page.
Decision is on the record.
I have not.
Instruction এটা
34.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Here the my lord, petitioner is most probably the only candidates who got transferred in tint of the victim of crime. There is a special clause, the transfer order, my lord.
It is
And
on
earlier,
10C.
Yes, my 10C.
Where is your recommendation? Where is your recommendation?
Page number 90, my lord.
Page?
Page number 90, 90. It's a special case one ought to consider. Because of that, I just made
Representation given?
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
It is annexed with my writ petition, page number 98. And not only that, my lord.
Any decision taken?
No, lordship.
My lord, kindly give her an opportunity of hearing also, because in her school there is a male teacher.
Yes, you are appearing.
34.
My lord, no decision has been taken.
So decision not taken to come on the next date. I will be expecting the decision of the.
Yes.
Hey, education. Decision.
And my lord, kindly detect the 35, my lord. Item number 35, my lord. Already.
It is instruction. Decision instruction.
Not yet disposed of. Representation not yet disposed of. That হয়েছে. The representation of the petitioner for the consideration of the recommendation of a transfer is pending before the Commissioner of School Education. Your representation is page 98,
my lord. A broad representation stating all the facts, my lord.
It's pending.
Stop. And the my lord, kindly record it one thing.
Matter. Let the matter appear. Let the matter appear in the list on such and such date. Matter shall appear. Matter shall appear in the list on such and such at 10:30 to get the response of the Commissioner of the said authority on the said representation of the petitioner. You are appearing in this matter?
35 lots.
No, this matter?
34.
I'm appearing.
So get the answer of the respondent
Yes,
of
yes.
the commissioner on the next date.
My lord, kindly give her an opportunity of hearing. Why I say so? Because it
Fast, see, then you.
11
My
October.
lord, kindly detag
11.
35, my lord.
35.
Yes, my lord, kindly detag it. Already I got
এই
it.
কবে আসবে?
35 lordship, annexure 76, representation is 76. No decision has been taken.
Yes.
Same.
What decision taken? Recommendation withdrawn.
Yes, my lord. That's my
Show me.
instruction.
No, lordship. I
So
have
then
not.
keep it tomorrow to be mentioned.
Representation of only or represent allowed.
Allowed, my lord.
Recommendation has
That's
been
my
withdrawn.
instruction.
That is what. Digi.
That's my instruction.
Page 76.
তোর কাছে তো ইনস্ট্রাকশন আছে।
No instruction তো এইটাই, আর তো কিছু আছে।
Some of the candidates, my lord, that order is withdrawn. She is
Exactly. Oh, you are one of them.
For transport.
Mr. Samim.
I have instruction lordship, on lordship,
দুটো আছে
did the any,
রেকমেন্ডেড।
but lordship actually the petitioner AT
ও কি দিল রেকমেন্ডেড?
and recently she has been recommended for transfer to the Formala Palika Vidyalaya, South 24.
Who is giving this? DI.
Commissioner.
Commissioner. 18th April 2023. I think so, lordship.
No, Mr. Samim is saying.
No, lordship, no instruction, I have not received.
Keep it tomorrow, my lord. In to be mentioned, my lord. Let's
To be mentioned tomorrow.
keep it to tomorrow, my lord. Let's
Very well.
bring with that. Detect, my lord, kindly. I just.
Yes, it will appear. Item number 35 will appear to be mentioned tomorrow.
You mentioned বলেছি।
Yes, lordship.
Motion থেকে
Lordship, the
to be mentioned.
representation was given. Decision
then.
has not been taken, Lordship. That is my
That
instruction.
is, item number 33, what order has been recorded? 33? দেখি। কি লিখেছি দেখো।
আবার তুইও দাঁড়ায় নে।
No decision taken.
No decision taken. Representation has been made
33 এর
on
ফাইলটা দেখি।
28 August.
33 এর ফাইলটা দেখি।
33টা কি করলি? হ্যাঁ
33 টা to be mentioned.
জানিয়ে দিয়েছে। তোর মক্কেলকে জানানো হয়ে গেছে। এত কম কটা আছে আমাদের কাছে?
Order has been passed, disposed of. Yeah, rather representation.
It has been communicated to our client.
Give the copy of the representation. এটা ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। দাও।
Now I have received the decision.
Copy of the representation, copy of the representation only.
I have not received a copy, Lordship. Now
Same order, take exception.
Lordship, another thing, Lordship, I should give this order. Some of the matters which were assigned before Justice Rai, because of these matters were filed before the division bench. First, it was appeared, division bench, honorable division bench released the matter, and that was assigned before Justice Rai. Justice Rai has passed an order in respect of these matters, giving a hearing. Lordship, may I hand over a copy of it?
Where hearing means where? Commissioner.
Hearing before the commissioner.
If you, in the meantime, if you join the school, you want 1 year time to a hearing, I will give you.
No, Lordship, that's
Not in that way.
grateful, man.
There was no interim order.
আমারটার আগেই
Not joining. There was no
আমারটার আগে
interim
হেভি
order
লোড
for not joining. Yet order of hearing was given, but not any order.
আমারটার আগে হেভি লোড হয়ে গেল পুরো
Not join.
So whatever you have issued, that if you do not join, treat that post as a vacant post, the consequence will follow. The board is now active, na? One time you have given your. But Mr. Chattopadhyay, what will happen to Kolkata schools? All the Kolkata school will be closed then.
Syllabus committee syllabus committee no change.
It must be made lucrative. If you follow the policy of Delhi government, how to improve the quality of these government schools. One day will come when the people will chase to get an admission like England in a government school, in public school. instead of these private schools. What happened? What is there in the private schools? The syllabus is to be improved, huge infrastructure, huge investment, but no output. The teachers cannot be, yes, rainy day, for half an hour rainy day. What is this, Mr. Lady?
Yes, but this is not 10C. Well, 2 grounds below 5 years and single subject teacher division bench has fixed settled this issue. Not kindly considers this issue.
November.
Well, kindly, this can be
Not now,
disposed
not
of, my
now,
lord.
not now, not
But
now.
she's
not-
suffering, my lord. She's suffering.
Not now. Let me, those persons who have already been
Yes.
teachers have been recommended, they are really under the crisis. Because the board has said that after this period, the post shall be treated vacant. So let those matters be treated first.
Very well.
এই শুভ্রর এই সবকটা মামলা ওইদিকে যাচ্ছে।
If your lordship.
So this is all.
No, no, সবকটা মনে হয় 36 থেকে কতগুলো?
39 আমার
36 to 39. Will your lordship be pleased to?
No, that is all not 36 to 39.
My lord, will your lordship be pleased to take it up on the next week? Next week, if possible.
After vacation.
After vacation.
39 I am appearing for the commission.
36 to 39.
After vacation.
36 থেকে 39 আমার নাম লেখা আছে দেখুন।
So these are the 40 onwards. These are the 10C matters or
42 is 10B.
all 40, 40?
42 and 43 are.
Wait, 40? Are you appearing in 40? Ushosri, just check it up so that I can place it. No issue in jumbling up the list.
আচ্ছা,
They are not 10C matters.
Cannot be.
Cannot
Yes,
be.
rightly pointed out.
Only 2020.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ 36 থেকে 39 করে দিয়েছে তো নভেম্বর।
So all these November, you come that after this clearing of, you are now praying for transfer. Those who have been recommended for transfer, let those matters be taken up fast.
Yes, yes, yes.
So from 40 is rightly pointed out Mrs. Bhattacharya. So those who are 2022 matters cannot be of this new rationalization policy.
42, 43 are 10B.
All these are, I suppose this, all these are, up to 51.
Lordship,
No.
even 50 to 53 cannot be 10C because 10C numbers transfer.
ওরকম calculation নেই।
What about 52? 52, no one, 10.
My lord, 49 is also Uchasri matter. 49, 42, 43, 49.
I suppose 40 to 50, this bunch, whole bunch, up to 54, all goes to that. Thereafter 10th October matter fixed. Right?
November.
41, 41.
40. From 55, 54,
64, your lordship.
64. No, 10th October matter fixed, possible. All these are 10C. So this is up to 54. It goes to November. Next week, on the, except the 10th matter, next week we are getting on 10th.
Different matter. The show cause notice is under challenge. That show cause notice was issued by the school authority in order to
Order হচ্ছে তো, order
the application for transfer under the of the petition.
Show cause notice?
Show cause notice has been issued.
Why? You have applied for transfer, that is why.
Yes. That is what. Previously 1 year back.
You want transfer or do not want transfer?
And transfer.
Then terms are November, huh?
Yes, the two petitions have been filed by the petitioner. One is asking for playing for transfer and 44 is not playing for transfer. It is for quashing the show cause notice.
এই 44 এর লিস্টটা একটু দেখে রাখবেন, আলাদা থাকলে আলাদা করে দেবেন।
ওটা বোর্ডের ডিসিপ্লিন
খালি 44 এর ফাইলটাকে একটু আলাদা করে দেখাবেন, যদি মনে হয় তাহলে রাখবো, নাহলে নভেম্বরে পাঠিয়ে দেবো। ঠিক আছে? 55 থেকে 55 তো টাইম ফিক্সড হয়ে আছে, আর যেগুলো আজকে হলো সেগুলো নিয়ে আর সব 10 তারিখের পর 10C ম্যাটারটা 10 তারিখ।
My lord, this week, my lord, your lordship will take up on Thursday, my lord. And those matters, my lord, and the pension matters, my lord.
Let me consider it.
Lord, I have to communicate them, and they will come.
Online. Online representation. Or mobile. Through your mobile. Petitioner's
But
mobile.
if your lordship provide the link, they can join. As you lordship.
All mail ID, they will not be able to. Don't
And
put them in
their
trouble.
next generation will help. They will not.
Put them in trouble.
Yes.
I will.
I have 5 matters only, my lord. 5 or 6 matters, not more.
Only those. You have
Wait a
seen, in spite of this, what is happening over
No, that absolutely, my lord. Your lordship is spot on, my lord. I'm not saying it.
But one rider, no payment.
No, don't say before.
73 could be disposed of. Your lordship has similar matter disposed of.
What a ball file.
Application before 8th of September. 1 page order, your lordship pass, it can be disposed of. Sending it to the commissioner for consideration. 73. Your lordship has similar matter, your lordship has passed.
My lord, your lordship.
Very well, very well. Very well.
My lord, your lordship has, my lord, I have handed over, my lord, an overdrawn matter. And that date, my lord, the petitioner appeared. I have, my lord, indicated why. After 2 years, my lord, deduction was made.
No, why this matter? You are mixing up
My lord,
the
it was
other
a
matter.
pensionary benefit. I have mentioned.
Don't mix up. Don't mix up, Mr. Mitro.
My lord, it
Don't,
was
no, please don't mix up.
only CPF GPF matter.
Only those matters in CPF, you have mentioned it, the CPF to GPF matters, the teachers are aged. They will be dying at any point of time. Before they are dead, they should get it.
That is true.
So only scoop out those. But only rider is
Only
no-
CPF GPF.
All these matters are pro bono matters. No payment to lawyer to anyone.
No, my lord, my lord, this matter kindly dispose of. He has, no, this matter, my lord.
No, what? No.
I have to deny. Well, your lordship says this is a
No.
pro bono. I don't know. Or who is doing what?
If you are agreeable, they will be getting some money. And you are saying you will be
No,
charging.
they are
them
interested.
No payment.
They are interested to come. It is not that everybody is not interested. I have told you, your lordship.
No, interested to come very well. They will be getting a place to sell.
No, they are attracts. Because your lordship kindly dispose it. My lord, he has come and overdrawn matter. Your lordship settled. This is settled principle. As your lordship.
Probably this is a delay code. I don't fix the matter on.
কত বললি?
50?
Your lordship is the monthly all recommendation and a monthly stock of
Yes, all read monthly list of October. It is 53 and 54.
53, only 50.
53 for October. 40 উচ্চশ্রী।
53 উচ্চশ্রীত। এই সুদীপ এটা উচ্চশ্রীত।
বসবে না, আর বসবে না। এই আর বসবে।
না, এবার কি বলছে? এইবারে চওড়া হাসি। অনলাইন ছেড়েছে। আমি কি